Sorors Hey, how are y'all doing? It's November, my birthday month, and I was hoping this month's box would just be something just spectacular, just wonderful. If you want to see what I gotta say about this month's box, then stay tuned, Sorors. I'll see you in a few minutes. Ooh, and I'm out. Hey, Sorors Hey, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. I'm Soror Joy, and I'm here to review the November Delta box. Let me give my disclaimer. I am not a Delta box ambassador. I'm a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, a consumer of the Delta box. My reviews are raw, uncut, and real because the Delta box needs to hear how the consumer feels about the box. So, Sorors, I was all excited for this month's box because November is my birthday month. And I just knew we was going to get something just awesome for this month. But alas, they didn't give us anything wonderful. They got us out here looking like Snoop Claus. Velour, really? Like, do y'all do focus groups? Do y'all even ask the Sorors what we want? Who is in these meetings picking what go in the box? I'm just saying. This month's selection, even the deals was like, don't gift us this stuff. They was on Facebook telling people, don't gift us this mess that they gave out this month. Dear Delta box, what is you doing? I'm just outdone with this outfit. Who thought velour would be nice? Child, let's get into it, y'all. The theme for this month is fall forward. Yeah, we falling. We ain't falling nowhere but in the bed with this outfit on. Cause ain't nobody wearing this out in public. Now I done lost all this weight, got skinny and fine. I want to look cute in my stuff that I get in the Delta box. But I put this outfit on and I look like Shamu the Whale. Here's my photo. What? The shirt was too big, the pants, I don't know what was going on, but this outfit is a no for me. Let's just get into it. I'm sure y'all. Alright, here's the velour top. Of course, it has the symbols. And that's it. This thing is huge. I don't know. I think I probably need to go down 2 more sizes. I don't know. It might have worked. I don't know. If they put stripes on the sleeve, then it would have really been Santa Claus. But I didn't even want to put a belt on with this because it'd be looking like Santa Claus. Here the pants with the white stripe down the leg. The back, you have one pocket in the back on the pants. You have 2 pockets on the side. And you got this big old white stripe down the flare legs. It's giving Santa Claus vibes. I'm sorry. Ain't no way to make that thing look cute. And again, it looks horrible on me. Now, why couldn't we get one of them cute outfits that y'all put in for the vault sale? That was some real. Now, that's what should have been in that box. One of them dresses or one of those joggers with the trainers. Something. Anything except this velour hot mess. Y'all getting a lot of these back because don't nobody want this outfit at all. It's, I don't know. I seen Sorors say that the ones that are too tall said they high waters and was all up their leg. Us short Sorors is too long or it's just too big. I don't know what's going on. The top is just cut too big. Dear Delta, Box, stop doing us like this. Just stop. I hope y'all did good for the vault sale. Now I'm not gonna complain because the vault sale is gonna make up for this darn box. Cause, but then y'all got an ugly velour outfit in the box too. So in the vault sale, so I don't know who told y'all that velour was in, cause it's not, and that's not cute, and we don't want it. Everything else that y'all got in the vault sale is cute. We like it, but this November box, it's a complete no-go at this station. All my military sorors, y'all know what I mean when I say that. No, ma'am. We're not feeling this month. I am really disappointed. This is my birthday month. I just knew we were gonna get something. Cause y'all had us looking like Bozo with the last outfit. Then y'all gave us the little lunch things for October. It was late, but I was like, okay, I can work with the little lunchtime thing. I was like, okay, they gonna come with something good for November. It's my birthday. And y'all come with this Snoop Claus outfit. Come on, dear Delta. And I guess y'all did Sister Greeks, the AKAs, real dirty because they ain't even showing what y'all gave them for this month. Nobody got a video about the November Ivy box. We probably twinning again, too. And they probably don't like that ugly green velour suit y'all done gave them, giving Juicy Couture vibes. Stop. Just, come on. We trying to work with y'all. But y'all just don't want to work with us. Do a focus group. Something. Poll the Sorors. Ask us what we want. I don't know who y'all talking to. Who is sitting in the meeting around the table and said, yeah, this gonna be good. The Sorors gonna love this. No, ma'am. We are not loving this. Nobody is. I'm gonna keep it raw, real, and honest with y'all. Nobody likes this month box. It's a no-go. We're gonna wear it around the house, sleep in it, and that's it. And I don't even want to do that because it just made me look like Shamu the Whale. And I didn't like that. Again, because I lost all this weight, got fine and skinny. Child, let me show y'all this picture I took at the Omega Achievement Week Bank. Did y'all see how fine I look right there? And then I put on this outfit and I'm looking like Shamu. Look at that. No, ma'am. Dear Delta, don't do this no more. Y'all need to regroup for 2024. Don't give us no planner next month, because we know that's what y'all gonna try to do. We don't want no planner. We want some really cute, stylish outfits. Something for the dolls, something for the divas, something for the divs. Just, come on. I don't know what y'all do. But y'all need to regroup and rethink for 2024 and stop the shenanigans. And stop making us twin with the AKAs. We don't want the same thing they get, and they don't want the same thing we get. We tired. We are sick of y'all. Get it together. Okay, Sorors. I'm off my rant now. This month just really did it for me though. Cause like I said, it's my birthday month. And I want to thank all the sorors who wished me a happy birthday. Whether you gave me a shout out on social media, called me, text me, instant message me, blessed my cash app. Thank y'all. I love y'all. I really, really do. And I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. Y'all are so sweet. But dear Delta, boss, we are sick of you and the shenanigans. Alright, Sarah. I'll see y'all next month. We can all open our planners together because you know that's what they're going to give us. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Comment and share. I'm trying to grow my channel. If you like makeup and skincare, then check out my BoxyCharm playlist or my Glam Black playlist. If you need a little bit of inspiration in your daily walk with Christ, check out my Joyful Jubilations playlist. Just take a look around my channel. I got a wide variety of content. So follow me, I'll follow you back. Subscribe to my channel, I'll subscribe to your channel. I'm good with that. If you're not following me on TikTok, you can find me on TikTok at TriumphantDST10. You can find me on Instagram at JoyJoy2TheWorld. And you can find me on Facebook at Sharon Joy Jacobs. Alright, Sorors. I'll see y'all next month. Y'all have a happy holidays. I hope you had a blessed Thanksgiving. And let's just remember to be thankful for all that the Lord has given us. He's been so good to us. Except and God is, dear Delta, box. God is not pleased with this month's box. I know y'all put on there that, he got our back. He gonna have our back always. But he is not pleased with this outfit. He's not. God is not pleased. Y'all need to repent for this outfit. You do. But anyway, Sorors, that's all I got for this month. Y'all comment below and let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And I'll see y'all next month, Sorors. Until then. Ooh, and I'm out.